In 1799, scientists saw this and said, "Someone stitched a duckbill onto a beaver as a prank." Spoiler, it was real. Meet the platypus, nature's biggest glitch in the matrix. Duckbill? Check. Beaver tail? Check. Otter feet? Check. Potato body? Also check. On land? Clumsy toddler. In water? Olympic swimmer. This animal cannot pick a lane. It lays eggs, but it's a mammal. It makes milk, but sweats it out. No nipples. The babies lick it off her fur like little weirdos. Oh, and males have venomous heel spikes. The pain, worse than childbirth, and morphine doesn't work. Cute face, deadly ankle, got it. Underwater, it shuts its eyes, ears, and nose, and hunts using electric fields from prey. Real-life spider sense. Also, no stomach. Food goes straight through. And under UV light, it glows blue-green, because why not? Egg-laying, venomous, milk-sweating, electric sensing, glow-in-the-dark, stomachless legend. This thing actually exists.